What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'll be checking out the brand new OnePlus 11. The last OnePlus device that I had was the OnePlus 9, and before that was the OnePlus 7 Pro. It looks like my trend here is that I skip a year, and 2023 is the year. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
I pre-ordered this device directly from the OnePlus website after they made the announcement. I opted for the larger RAM and storage option, so my cost was going to be starting around $799. OnePlus did have some trade-in offers available for a variety of devices. I was thinking about trading in my S22 Ultra, but at the end of the day I decided to keep it, and I am actually filming this video with the S22 Ultra. I went with the 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. The color I chose was the Eternal Green. Shout out to Snapdragon because this device has the 8 Gen 2 processor inside of it. Okay, you guys ready? Because I'm ready. Let's go.
Spectacular Gadgets. Spectacular Gadgets.
What you should know is that this device definitely feels premium. Something very surprising to me is I was under the assumption that the device was going to be a lot heavier than it actually is. Because of the camera setup that you have on the back, I just figured it would add a lot of weight to the device, but no, it actually is pretty light. So I'm giving you a look around the device, and it has everything that we've come to love with OnePlus. And again, this does feel very premium, but it is a little bit slippery. So you're going to want to get a case because you're not going to want to drop this beauty.
Spectacular Gadgets.
first thing that I noticed right out of the box is that there is an update available. So if I scroll down, you'll notice that it is a pretty decent size update at 255 megabytes. The next thing that I want to do is go ahead and place my SIM inside of the device. So I'll use the SIM ejector tool to open up the SIM tray. And this device has dual SIM. So you'll notice one side says SIM 1 and the other one says SIM 2. Plus I believe it has eSIM. So way to go, OnePlus. I wanted to try a few mobile games as I'm not really into mobile gaming anymore because I have the Steam Deck, but playing mobile games such as Call of Duty on this device, I had no issues as I wasn't expecting any. As this video is just a first impressions video, I'll be sure to talk more about the gaming and how the device did later on in other videos. All in all, the device ran smoothly for whatever game that I was playing. Unfortunately, there is no wireless charging with this device, but it has super fast charging. So you'll forget all about that when you see how quickly this device charges. In this video, I'll be trying out the Novium Hover Pen 2.0. First off, shout out to the people at Novium for sending this over for me to try out on the channel. I truly do appreciate it. Let's do this!
Spectacular gadgets.
What I have here is the Novium Hover Pen 2.0 Interstellar Edition. There are 3 versions of the Hover Pen 2.0 Interstellar Edition. There is the one that I have here, which is the basic, and it will cost you $99. The next one that they have is an 18-karat gold-plated version, which is $129, and then they have a meteorite embedded version, which is about $400. You can get this on Amazon if you're interested.
Spectacular gadgets.
Ergonomically, I believe they shaped and designed this pen very nicely.
Spectacular gadgets.
What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and I am testing out the dual view mode on the OnePlus 11. So here it is. It's using the front facing camera and the rear, and this is pretty cool.
Spectacular gadgets. Spectacular gadgets.
The OnePlus 11 has finally brought it back home again and actually just knocked it right out of the park. This is an incredible deal for the price that they're asking for. You must ask yourself, what other device are you going to get that's under 1,000, that's actually under 800, that runs as smooth as this, that is as fast as this, and continues with the updates? This, my friends, is something that you might want to take a look at. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.